Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we will be reacting to another suggested song and I'm very excited for this one. So without further ado, we will be reacting to Ikimono Gakari Bluebird English Subtitles Live 2016 Jimoto de Show. So without further ado, we will start. So let's go. Let's start. I love her voice and oh my god, how many people out there and I love their energy. OMG. So let's continue. We'll go back a little bit. Let's go. Wow. The beat of the song is so good. I love it and I love her energy and when she's singing she is so natural, but her voice is so beautiful. I love it. Said I really love the beat of the song and her voice is amazing, so powerful. I love it. Wow. So that is the end. Oh my god, I really love her voice. The beat of the song is so good, and I really enjoyed watching this one. The energy of the audience is amazing. So I would like to say thank you so much to the person who suggested this one. This is really nice. I love it. Like I said, I really enjoyed watching it. So that is my reaction for this video. And before I forget, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, hit the notification bell so you will be notified if I have new video. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have some comments, some suggestion, just comment down below. I'm reading all your comments. So that's all for now. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye bye and take care.